Hey guys, Moto is here, and today I will be showing you how to put on MotoCross boots. This is a Moto's bike. Go check out his channel right now. He's making some awesome videos on it. Alright, so let's get started. So first, they're all angled like this. You open the Velcro, you put your foot in, you do up the Velcro, and you watch the first one, and then you'll get the second. So then you put that in like that, bring it over here, around like that, and then push until you hear a click. Do that again for all the other ones. Oh, come on. And then, for the other boot, it's the exact opposite from the first boot. So Velcro's on the other side. Put your foot in. Oh, pull up some mud. Undo the Velcro. Stick your foot in. Do up the Velcro. Do up the Velcro very tightly. Then, same thing with the other side. Push until you hear a click. And the last one. Alright, and this is how you do this.